Hello friends, this is Jed from the Philippines. With gladness, I would like to present to you the latest innovations we have. The innovation we have here, we call the briquette press. We call Bayo Piga, or pound and press, literally. It evolved from the old models of the Engineers Without Borders from the Legacy Foundation, and with Rock O Block. In 2010 I began making my own version, and then finally this year we have our new model, the Bayo Piga. It consists of the same micro compound lever as you can see here, the piston, and then the big innovation I made is the ejection component. As you can see here, there's a sliding wooden block there. A sliding wooden block where the pressed briquette will fall off. Now we are ready to make one round of briquette. First is the center tube. See the tapering shape here, the top. Drop it at the center. Fill it with a combination of waste paper and charcoal fines in a ratio of 1 part waste paper and 2 parts charcoal fines. Sieve very well. It has to be sieved. Now there's our recipe. Now I think we're ready to press. Center tube still aligned at the center. Now we press. Yeah. Then the wooden tube block. And now at this point we press this bar so it will fall off there. There we go, and let it slide out. Hello friends, at this point I would like to introduce to you our version of the ratchet press from the Legacy Foundation. Upon request of some clients, we created a smaller version for 5 cm briquettes, still with the holes inside. And as you can see, I maintained the ratchet component of the ratchet press by Richard Stanley. You can see here, it really helps a lot. So it's made of stainless metal parts. It took me a while to get it organized. Now we close the lid at the bottom, fill it from the side, and push it with a wooden block. There, it's coming right in place. And now when everything is in place, we begin pressing it. So piston in place and press. Notice how this bar is moving down. And now it doesn't depress further, so we open the hook and let it fall by pressing it further down. There you go. Our 5 centimeter briquette.